Weather radar is the most important tool for understanding what is happening outside and trying to predict what could happen. In today's video, I will cover how you can easily read radar images and what they mean for your localized weather forecasts. Radars work by sending out pulses of microwave energy. When those pulses hit objects in the atmosphere like rain, hail, or snow in the winter, it bounces back to the radar. Those pulses sent back to the radar then give meteorologists and forecasters the data we see on radar apps every single day, which helps them issue warnings. For example, like the density of precipitation we see here from a prolonged rain event in the Montreal area in June of 2026, which led to a severe thunderstorm warning. The areas of precipitation are represented by different colors on radar, which indicate how intense the precipitation may be. The colors range from blue to light green, which indicates light rain, yellow to light orange, which indicates moderate rain, dark orange to red, which indicates heavy rain, and occasionally pink or purple, which indicates torrential rain or even large hail. Orange, red, pink, or purple are more typical in the summer season with thunderstorms, where reflectivity returns are typically green and yellow in the winter. In Canada, our radars use dual polarization, which means they send out vertical and horizontal pulses. This gives better information to us about the size and shape of incoming thunderstorms, big rain systems, or snowstorms. Birds, bugs, and even tornado debris can be shown on radar as well. Another tool weather radars provide is velocity. Velocity on radar measures the speed and direction of wind inside storms, which then helps meteorologists and forecasters find where the rotation is inside storms. That's critical for finding out where tornadoes may be possible, or to find out where strong, damaging wind gusts could be possible inside the storm as well. On velocity, occasionally you will see areas of bright red and bright green next to each other, which indicates very strong winds moving towards the radar and away from the radar. This is known as a couplet and signifies strong rotation and possible tornado development. The green indicates winds going towards the radar, while red indicates wind going away from the radar. This is the easiest way to see a tornado developing on radar or a tornado already ongoing. This is precisely what Environment Canada is looking for when they issue tornado warnings, like this one in Quebec on July 21st of 2026, which produced a tornado near Harrington, Quebec. Strong damaging wind gusts look more like a large area of bright green or bright red depending on if you're to the west or east of the radar site, like this big windy storm around Edmonton, Alberta on July 18th, 2026. That storm brought 90 to 120 km/h wind gusts into Edmonton, which you can see with the bright colors. The way precipitation moves on radar gives people valuable information in terms of where it's going and how fast the weather, whether it be thunderstorms or snowstorms, is approaching. For example, radar loops show how storms are moving over time, like this one from Manitoba. This helps meteorologists and forecasters predict when and, more importantly, where the storms will arrive. We're able to know the speed and direction of weather because of those pulses of the energy the radar shoots out continuously, like I talked about in reflectivity earlier in the video. Radar data, which we combine with multiple other pieces of weather data such as surface observations and satellite, provides us with very valuable information about what we could expect to see. For example, we can predict the size of hail, how much rainfall, storm tracks, and of course, severe weather potential from using radar data and other observations. When you're looking at radar, you should always pay close attention to what the size and shape of the storm is. Supercells, bow echoes, and other weather patterns often indicate severe weather such as tornadoes, very strong damaging winds, and derechos as well. The general public, not just meteorologists and forecasters, have easy access to view radar data. Anyone with a phone, tablet, laptop, computer, you name it, can view radar at any time. There are plenty of radar applications across both Apple's App Store or Android's Play Store that display live radar data using all 30 of Environment Canada's newly upgraded radar sites. Live radar provides real-time updates and is accessible anywhere you go. The best radar applications that we at Canadian Weather Live recommend are RadarScope and WeatherWise, the latter being what we use on all of our live streams, summer and winter. Understanding radar helps you plan, manage, and stay safe during your outdoor activities like sports, weddings, or if you're out on the water doing some fishing. Radar is only one part of many other things that go into forecasting, but it's arguably the most important for predicting and preparing for what could be on the horizon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you're the first to know when we go live or post more weather content. Thanks for watching!